In this video, we will be replacing the rear sway bar links in this 2008 Hyundai Elantra. To prep this vehicle, I have installed wheel chocks on the front tires. I have raised the vehicle and supported it with a variety of safety stands, and I have removed the rear wheel from both sides. Taking a look at our wheel assembly, we want to locate our sway bar link, which is located behind the braking assembly. And taking a look a little bit closer, we can clearly see that sway bar link running vertically. At the top we have one connection point, and at the bottom we also have one connection point. I'm going to begin by applying some Amsoil metal protector to these bolts since they have been in here a long time. With a 14mm combination wrench on one side and a 14mm socket on the other, we can loosen this up. And I always like to compare my old part with my new part just to make sure that they look the same. This one's looking good, and then we can slip that new one in place. And again, using a 14mm combination wrench and a 14mm socket, we can torque those down.